Please, look.
We're here.
Oh, joy!
Hey, hi, kids. What'll you guys have today?
The usual. Give us the mango, papaya, quince.
Coconut persimmon guava.
Are you gonna drink that in one gulp?
I'll take that as a challenge. I've been doing this since I was a kid. Told you.
Cut it out.
Ooh, that's gross. Can you do it again?
I can't help it.
Toby, a glass of water. Drink this. We need a bigger glass. I think this calls for professional help.
If I don't get a desk soon, I'm gonna quit.
Hey, I think I'm cured. Sorry, performance anxiety. Talk about spreading the joy.